What is going on, guys? In today's video we are talking about baby seats. And why are we talking about baby seats? Well, my wife and I are parents to newborn twins. In today's video, I want to just touch up on the current situation of the R and what I'm going to do with it, what my plans are, my original plans, and what my new plans are. So long story short, I am keeping the R. I don't have any plans for it as of yet. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Why? Because I am trying to make as much space in this small hatchback as much as possible for me to keep the car for as long as possible. And let's go ahead and just give you a tour. In the back, you do see car seats, I think, but let's go ahead and do the front view and turn this camera around and give you a tour. All right, so right off the bat, we have our seats pushed a little bit forward because of the baby seats in the back. Now, these are infant seats, not so much convertible seats. These are straight from, we had to get these to go ahead and leave the hospital with. So these are the most reviewed on Amazon and pretty much really convenient to kind of lift and go. This is the Chicco or Chicco KeyFit 30, up to 30 pounds. So the girls are nowhere, maybe halfway, almost halfway to 30. So this is probably going to be replaced within a year. We have it fit into the seats, leaving very minimal space in the middle for any type of passenger. Now, my wife won't be able to fit in there. It might be really tight squeeze. I highly doubt she could be comfortable, because I definitely won't be. All right, so in the middle should be like maybe a diaper bag or whatnot. You see some crossbars here. We'll talk about that later. But in terms of installations, very simple. Basically, you got your latches on the side, clip them on both sides. There are covers here that you have to remove. I left them right there in the middle. And overall, it leaves me with just enough room for me to drive comfortably. Passenger won't have enough room. It won't be as spacious as back then. But here you have another crossbar. I recently picked up the crossbar, basically to get my car to as much cargo capacity as much as possible. Now, over here is the same seat, same pattern, same design, pretty much snug. All right, the optimal seat position for any type of newborn or infant is right smack in the middle. However, given our circumstances, we have to make do with our situation and kind of, unfortunately, side to side on each rear door. All right, and right here, the passenger seat is moved up just a little bit. So it used to be far, like further back, maybe about like 3 or 4 inches or so. So it's a little bit more of a hassle to get in for the passenger. So sacrificing 3 to 4 inches of leg space. And overall, the rear for now is okay because we have a baby trend double snap and go. But right now I don't have the stroller with us, but it fits perfectly in the rear, leaving us with maybe room for maybe a diaper bag and a few bagfuls of groceries. But we do have a bumble ride that we will not be able to fit. So that's going to be a problem within the future, within the first year. We have to see what's going to happen with that. But as you can tell, this is the other cargo box, the crossbar. I will see if this fits over here. I think it does. Yeah, I think it does, but it needs some maneuvering for now. And again, these Tux mats will keep everything safe. We'll keep everything clean. I might need a seat protector on this to go ahead and minimize scuffing on the leather, but this is poor quality leather, as we all know. Anyway, it's so far that's the current situation. on the whole R aspect of it. So until next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and be safe.